Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the completion date for the Southern Coastal Highway. Now we're going to go through two articles. The first says the Southern Coastal Highway to be completed by 2027. The second one says Southern Coastal Highway 95% complete. Now, does that mean it's going to take 2 years to complete 5%? I'm not sure, but we're going to go through both articles. Now, this road, I've never seen a deadline. So, okay, when the road was being built, they would keep coming up with these deadlines for completion or these completion dates that were just unrealistic. So many times they've said, okay, the road is going to finish, let's just say for an example, May 2024. And when you drive on the road in April, there's no way the work would be finished in 30 days or 60 days. So I'm not sure. We're going to go through the first article that says South Coast Highway to be completed by 2027. The Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is slated to be completed by March 2027, bolstered by a $2.5 billion allocation in the upcoming 2025-26 fiscal year. Details are outlined in the estimates of expenditure recently tabled in the House of Representatives by Finance and Public Service Minister Honorable Favour Williams. The breakdown of the projected $2.5 billion spend involves $125 million for goods and services, $475 million for land acquisition, and $1.9 billion for fixed assets or capital goods. The objective of the project is to improve the alignment and capacity of the existing Southern Coastal Main Arterial Road to make it safe and efficient, free from flooding, and provide for future development. Okay, so that's the first article that says completion March 2027. Now we're going to go through another article that says, and that article, the first one came out in February 2025. This one now came out in March 2025, and it says Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project 95% complete. The Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is now 95% complete. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness says the remaining segments from Yalos Bridge to Port Antonio and Morant Bay to Cedar Valley will be completed by June 2025. This transformative project has delivered 141 kilometers of reconstructed roads, 248 kilometers of water pipelines, and 140 kilometers of fiber optic ducts, significantly enhancing connectivity and essential utilities, he stated. The Prime Minister was speaking during his contribution to the 2025-26 budget debate in the House of Representatives. All right, guys, so we have one article saying June 2025, and we have another one saying March 2027. Now, one of the reasons why I'm doubtful for the earlier completion is because some sections of this road were done and were damaged, and the structure was damaged, and they had to do it over. So I'm not sure. We will give you guys updates, weekly updates between now and the end of June 2025 so that we can see exactly what is going on. All right, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.